Episode number 17 of the Valmiki Ramayana, Valmiki Parayanam. We have come all the way from Shirdi to Panduranga temple. From Panduranga temple, we have come what we call all the way to Kolhapur Mahalakshmi. This is the Mahalakshmi of the entrance and all. Mahalakshmi, see one important point. What is the importance of the Mahalakshmi is what? Unless Mahalakshmi manaki anugram untene Sriman Narayanan will give the approval stamp of authority. In our Tirupati Dhanurmasam also we are told several things. Ammavare, that is Mahalakshmi only gives a recommendation. Very important point. At the time of the Sharanagati, is Mahalakshmi recommends to the Sriman Narayanan. Then Sriman Narayanan has no other option. तो इनका बड़ा घर में भी देखिए अगर एक बच्चा अगर पैसा पूछना होता माता जी से माता जी will give, but in case if he asks his father will refuse. Then a beauty of the things on the, if he goes via through his mother, then the mother will recommend to his husband, please give some money now. This is what practically in Kaliga it happened like that. That means what? In every temple, before we have the Sriman Narayana Darshanam, one should have the darshan of Mahalakshmi. We are here at Mahalakshmi at Kolhapur. We have got Mahalakshmi temple in Hyderabad also. That is Srimad Andavan Ashramam, West Maratpalli. Iske alawa, we got Mahalakshmi temple in Bombay. In Bombay, the Mahalakshmi temple is made of marble. Coming back to our Valmiki Ramayana episode number 17, Sumantra will tell to Dasaratha, I have to inform you one thing, because as Dasaratha has started his horse to send to all the neighboring countries, at that time Sumantra will tell very clearly to Dasaratha, I want to inform something. What has happened 1,000 years back. See, Ramayana mein sab jagah mein dekhiye, I will tell you all that at different places. The prediction will always be told before itself. King Dasaratha also will predict before itself. And several other instances, Rama also will be predicting what is going to happen tomorrow. Ramayana is a speciality is what happened tomorrow we can know today itself. In one of the instances, Sumantra will tell to Dasaratha, I have to share one thing. That is what? 1,000 years back itself, Sumantra comes to know through the mouth of what he calls Sanaka. Please remember, I am using the Brahma's, one of the sons' name is Sanaka. The other four sons' name is, I want to share with you very clearly. That is what he calls. Sanaka is one of the Brahma's mind and was born. And he was very, what he call, intellectual. He was a man of Sanaka, was a very intellectual, intelligent. Along with the four sons, another person name is called as Sanaka, Sanata, and Santava, and Santava Kumar. All are eternal and immortal as Brahma. In that, Sumantra will tell to Dasaratha that already you have to inform, that is what you call, one person called as the sage, who is, his name is Risha. His name is what you call Risha Singha and his wife. He already predicted that in Ayodhya that Dasaratha will rule. At that time he will conduct Ashwadhama Yagna. So for that, Sumantra will tell very clearly to the King Dasaratha, please invite them for this अश्वमेध यज्ञ एंड उनका बात सुनकर दशरथ जी ने सुमंत्रा का बात सुनकर then he and his what he call his all the four wives along with his guru, along with his Garka, what he call the Parampara guru, they all go and invite what he call the Rishi Yagna and his Rishi Singha and his wife for the Yagna. हम क्या बताना चाहते हैं means King Dasaratha will always consult and do the things on God. Even though the charioteer has told that you have to invite him, he is readily accept. That is what the beauty of the Valmiki Ramayana. Here we got the Kolhapur Mahalakshmi of the what we call the Sannadhi and all everything. By this we are coming down to the end of that episode of the Valmiki number 17. हम बार बार बोल रहे हैं अगर अपन मंदिर गए तो महालक्ष्मी का कटाक्षम चाहिए, महालक्ष्मी अनुग्रह डाले. We should have the blessings of the Mahalakshmi. As once again we have to request you to invite invite the concerned person who is coming along with me all the way from Shirdi. From Shirdi, he has come down to what we call Panduranga Temple. From Panduranga Temple, we are at the Kolhapur Mahalakshmi Temple. He is a person who has come all the way from Madurai. He is a what we call, see, once again, God knows how to invite and how to get the things done and not everything. हम बार बोल रहे, it is a बार बोल रहे, that is we should have the Mahalakshmi Kataksham, Mahalakshmi Anugram, Mahalakshmi blessing. At any temple and आप कौन सा मंदिर भी जाइए, first you should have the blessings of Mahalakshmi. For example, I am talking, if we go to what we call Mannarudi Rajagopalan temple, first we should have the blessings of Taya Singamala. Then come down to the Rajagopala. This is what the nomenclature. I am using the word here as nomenclature. It is a parampara. Once again, very important point. Garka wife ko, inti pellamni, பார்த்து மனைவினே நம்ம நல்லா பார்க்கணும். பாதாமணி மாதிரி பார்த்துக்கணும். That is what money. Badam is what? From the shell, the badam. From the money, we should always follow the tradition of the wife. If we follow the wife's principles, rules and regulations and things like that, the house will be very, very, very colorful. Mahalakshmi is very, very, very important for everyone's, in anyone's life. That's what this today's वाल्मीकि एपिसोड नंबर 17. बार दोबारा बोल रहे हैं, अगर आप भगवान का पैर छूना बोले तो फर्स्ट वी शुड हैव दैट महालक्ष्मी कटाक्षम. Once again, I am ending with Mahalakshmi Slokam once again. We are here at what we call Kolhapuri Mahalakshmi Temple. That is from what we call from Panduranga Temple. It is almost 210 kilometers. From Hyderabad, it is 700 kilometers. आप आइए सर, आप बड़े लोग दिख रहे. It is, please come. I want to share the concerned devotee of this Mahalakshmi Kolhapur Temple. आपका आशीर्वाद चाहिए. हम सब वाल्मीकि रामायणम पारायणम कर रहे सर. It is no sir. We are doing it. Valmiki Ramayana, Valmiki Paran. Under Gopikale, our Hyderabad Srirangachan Gopikale. We are traveling along with you to come down to the Kolhapuri Mahalakshmi Temple. Om Mahalakshmi Chavatme, Vishnupati Chadhime, Tanno Lakshmi Prachodaya. Om Mahalakshmi Chavatme, Vishnupati Chadhime, Tanno Lakshmi Prachodaya. Shriman Narayana, Charanam Prapate, Shrimate Narayana Namaha. This is what very important. Shriman Narayana మనం దర్శనం చేయాలంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ once again I'm telling another example. We want to meet, we want to have the darshan of Kaligaba. First మనం కింద తాయార్ పద్మావతి దర్శనం करने के बाद ही దర్శనం చేసుకున్న తర్వాతనే, unless we have the Padmavati blessings only, generally one can have the Sriman Narayana Lord King Balaji Darshana. Once again repeating it, Mahalakshmi లేకుంటే ఇల్లు నడవదండి. So once again, I re-request you once again, please take care of your Dharma Patni. Dharma Patni is our Dwaja Sambham in anyone's house. That's what today's Valmiki episode number 17. What is clear ending it was, King Dasharatha along with his 4 wives, along with his ministers, along with the Sumantra, go down and welcome the Rishi Rasajna to conduct the Ashwamedha Yagna. Ashwamedha Yagna means what? It's very difficult to perform. Only the great emperors can perform this Ashwamedha Yagam. Please remember, Andar Raja, Mamul Raja Chele, Andukosame, the King Dasharatha tries to, wants to perform. That's the reason the horse goes down to all the places and all. Let us see in the next episode what is going to happen. Till then, have a good day. Sundar once again, all the Gopikas who are traveling with us, have a darshanam once again. Kolhapuri Mahalakshmi Temple Darshanam. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shriman Narayan. Jai Guru Rama. Jai Guru Rama. Guruji, thanks to Guruji. Thank you, Bala, once again, my Dharma Patni for everything. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shriman Narayan, Jai Guru. Once again, I'm bar bol rahe, madam. Please remember, all our Gopikas are all traveling along with us for this Valmiki Ramayanam, Parayanam and Ramar Prayanam. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shriman Narayana, Jai Guru Rama, Jai Guru Rama.